entrepreneur, my cupcakes to the show. Got the hottest content, you already know. QUEENMAJC.
That's me. That's me. What's up, YouTube gang? Your girl is back with another video. What's up, YouTube gang? What is up? Your girl is back with another video. And today we got some snow crab, cucumber, potatoes, 1 egg, corn, lemons, sauce, butter sauce for my snow crab. Y'all already know. We got us a peach drink back here. Peach sun kiss. Let me see. Let me put it down so I can let y'all hear it. Oh, I'm ready to eat, y'all. I haven't eaten none but noodles, and I ate the noodles like at, oh, let me be quiet. Like at 12. Ooh. I wish I had a microphone. Yeah, so y'all can hear it for real, but y'all know, y'all. Oh, got a little peach in the sauce. That's okay. No big deal. Listen, we finna get down with it. Woo! I'm ready to get down with it. Happy Saturday. I hope y'all are having a good day so far. Today is my cousin Mariah's birthday. Happy birthday, Mariah. Happy birthday to everybody got a birthday this month. I got a lot of December birthdays this month in my family. My cousin Kira's birthday is December 10th. Naya's birthday, which is another cousin, December 23rd. Her baby's birthday party is tomorrow. And I'm ready to turn up with them. Hey. So, yes. How y'all doing? Comment down below if y'all have a December birthday or you know somebody born in December. I'm ready, y'all. I'm ready to tear this food up. Do you hear me? It's about 5 o'clock right now. So y'all getting a video in the same day that it's made, which is usually how it always is. But usually I post around 5. Good thing I'm not posting today because a lot of people now from my home city, they watch my videos. So they all watching the Alabama and Georgia game. I am an Auburn fan. They beat us last week by the grace of God. That's the only reason why. The only way how they beat us. Because we were winning. We went into 4 overtimes and they came out on top. So I'm definitely not one of them Alabama fans because they don't know. They be bragging for too much for me, baby. My boyfriend is an Alabama fan. Congratulations to Damon and Felicia. Y'all go check them out. They had their baby girl Aubrey yesterday, I think. Or was it today? I think it was yesterday. December 3rd, I think. What's today? The 4th? So congratulations to them on their baby. So much love, positivity going around. And your girl's happy. Your girl is happy. I'm very happy to be eating. I'm not even going to lie to you. This is a fresh batch of sauce. Y'all know they say make it the day before, but we had to do what we had to do today. Okay. Listen, I also see one of my supporters today. I will try. It's 419. Ow, I just poked myself. I would try to put her picture up here if I do not forget. So hopefully I don't forget. I'm probably going to be trying to get this video out on top of trying to make a TikTok as well. Oh, I cut myself. No biggie. I'm always cut myself for the crowd, baby. I'm going to put this in here. Y'all know I normally eat my legs first. And then we'll get the little end pieces later on. Yes, so your girl had an eventful day today. I'm also doing Vlogmas. If you are interested in that, I'm doing it on my second channel, which will be in the description box down below. I'm trying to. I put the disclaimer down. I'm going to try to do it because vloggers ain't no joke. Especially when you don't have nothing too interesting going on. But, you know, you have to make it interesting for the people. But I'm going to tell y'all now, your girl don't got too much interesting stuff going on. Oh, just being honest with y'all. Right then and right there. But yes, I love when I see a supporter in anywhere actually. But lately, my first two were in Walmart and my second one was in Walmart again. So y'all know why I'm always at Walmart. That's why I normally see my supporters. Let me scoot this over. I feel like I don't have no room up here. But y'all know I get down with the food. Ooh, I actually wanted potatoes today, which is weird because I normally don't even have potatoes. But I wanted some today, and hopefully they good to your girl. I used to love with a capital L-O-V-E potatoes. I love that corn now. That corn and them cucumbers, it'll bless you. I used to love potatoes and eggs, but now it's switched. Is it ever gonna switch back? I don't know. All right, we're gonna move that. Y'all know I say those for last. Cause sometimes I be moving through this food so fast. I be, ooh, hungry. And normally, sometimes when I be hungry, that's when I get the fullest. When I'm starving like I am today. That's when I get full. But hopefully, I can put me a few down before I get too full. Oh, they getting cold. Oh, is it? Hold on, baby. What's going on here? I broke it. Come on out. Ah, it's still something in there. Not a lot. Just a little bit. Them some big ones, but sometimes them big ones be tripping. Cause that's what's happening right now. Tripping. Come on out. Ah. It's tripping. You might have to just bite that on out how we normally do. And go on with the flow. Still, a lot of meat came out. That's crazy. I don't know if it's because it's cold or what. I go ahead and eat my snow crab fast, quick, fast, and hurry because who want cold snow crab? I could put on a warm plate because I do have a warming plate thanks to my godmama. She bought it. When she bought this board, and that was like 2019. When I saw it, so I have no excuse not to have warm food. But I just haven't used it. So, nothing else now. Let's get another lemon. We're done with that one. I'm gonna eat these last few legs. Oh, I be loving snow crab. Snow crab is my favorite. Oh. I hope y'all having a terrific Saturday. What y'all did today? Comment down below. Let me know. My arms are hurt, y'all, from holding them up. I guess I'm not used to it. I ain't been making videos like I've always was. So now my arm back here hurting. Somebody comment down below. Tighten up, tighten up. Ah, this one to break on me, y'all. Please don't break. Please don't break. It broke. Should've known. There's still some meat in there. And we still gonna eat it. Trust me. Trust and believe me. about to eat a potato. Because your girl is hungry. And I wish I would have gotten a spoon, like I always say. Uh-oh. Why does butter do butter do that? I can make a little film at the top. I can't. Ooh, it burned that cut. I just got together. Let's see. Oh. I need that. I need that. You know how you didn't know you need something? I needed that. That's what I needed. That was good. That's what gets you for in Seafoodboil for real. Potatoes. I used to love them. I don't care for them like that no more for real. Like I said. See, I guess because they getting cold. That's what's happening. Oh. Back, y'all. I'm sorry. My computer, not computer. The freaking phone says storage. No more storage. There ain't nothing to do with I barely have anything on this phone. Barely. This is the phone I use for my videos, so they tried it. I just deleted some apps that I didn't need, which was only two of them. I only got maybe 3 or 4 on there, so it tried it. But we're back. Periods. Oh. Let me go ahead and hurry up before they say no stores no more. I don't even know how many minutes I had. Fix it, Jesus. That's my saying now, y'all. Fix it, Jesus. You're gonna have to. You're gonna have to fix it. I can't do it. Fix it. Oh, Lord. I'm ready to eat some of this sauce. Cucumber. They have some big cucumbers today, the mini thing. I'm like, whoa. They said mini, but baby, I don't know. I made this sauce real good. I wish this cucumber was cold. But I just like the cucumbers today too. No. Oh. Let me give me one of these. Back, y'all. I'm just going through it. It did it again. Let me really hurry up, cause I need to get some type of content out for you guys. And this iPhone not playing fair. Alright, what's the problem? And this is why people have cameras. Just being honest. Camera's expensive though. Well, the one I want is like $600. That's expensive to me. Some people got it. If you got it, you got it. But that's a little expensive to me. Let me hurry up. I'm gonna eat this corn for y'all. Before I do it again, and I'm gonna be highly upset then for real. I don't want to get interrupted when I eat my corn. Period. Mm. Mm, mm. Mm, mm. I'm trying to keep it off my shirt because today I have a Jingle Bell shirt on. So this is my Christmas shirt from 2019, I want to say. Got an onion that fell. Mm. 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 Ooh, this is so good, y'all. Mm. 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 Babe, please. Don't play. That's good. Oh. Let me hurry up. I don't need to be wasting no time, y'all. Oh, that corn was so good. Y'all know that's my favorite. That's my favorite. And then the seasons get to me. Woo. I'm gonna get an egg. Ooh. I've been eating the good stuff at the bottom. Whoa. Mm. 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 Y'all, it went out again. I don't know what's going on. Listen, I don't know what's going on. Let me eat this egg and I'm gonna go on by my go. Cause I don't know. Mm. Mm. That egg good. Y'all, I'm gonna have to go ahead and let y'all go. I'm gonna eat the last cucumber. I'm gonna have to let y'all go, unfortunately. Because, not I gotta let y'all go like y'all the burden. It's me. It's not you, it's me. I don't know what's wrong with it. Keep stopping. Mm. It's very annoying. And I gotta figure out what the problem is. Mm. Let me do my outro. I'm doing vlogging too, so I got a lot of vlogs on here, so that's probably what it is as well. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're old here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn your post notification bell on so you can be notified when your girl posts. I love y'all so much. Y'all pray for me. I'll pray for y'all. If you're in a good prayer, keep it to yourself. Until next time, y'all. Peace out.